Hi everyone, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and today in this short tutorial, I'm going to take you through 3 different variations of Ardha Uttanasana, or halfway lift. This is very traditionally used in sun salutations and vinyasa practices all over the world, so if you're interested in learning halfway lift, just keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So oftentimes we come in to halfway lift from a fold, actually all the time. So let's start in our forward fold. Feet are either hip width apart, or if you're in a classical sun salutation stance, they're about big toes touching, heels about a pencil length apart. So whatever feels the best for you, you could bend into your knees. That's perfectly fine. The first variation I'm going to take you through is the traditional variation. So on an inhale, you're going to align your fingertips with the big toes. Pull the belly in, scoop the heart forward, and start to straighten the back and the spine. So imagine the heart pulling way forward to the front of the mat. Knees can be bent here. Imagine the hips pulling back, and then suck the belly button inward and upward. Gaze is just a little bit forward. Let's take one more inhale here, lengthening. Exhale, fold over the thighs. Okay, so if this and getting the fingertips to the ground is not working for you, that's okay. We have options. So option number 2 is to bring hands to shins, fingertips facing the earth. On an inhale, press the hands into the shins, pull the belly in and up, scoop the heart forward, shoulder blades hug together on your back. So this gives you a little bit more lift. If the fingertips don't go all the way to the ground, this is perfect for you. And then eventually we can work our way down to the full pose. So again, roll the tops of the shoulder heads back, nice open front body. You can push the hands into the shins. Inhale here. Exhale, forward fold, belly to thighs, relax your neck. For the next variation, we're going to take our 2 trusty blocks and place them about 6 to 12 inches in front of the feet, depending on the torso length, depending on the arm length. You can just adjust them wherever feels comfortable as we get going. And so this is going to give you just a little bit more lift than even hands on the shins. We're going to plant our hands on the blocks or fingertips on blocks. Same deal, root down through the feet. Inhale, pull the belly in, scoop your heart forward. Imagine hips drawing back as heart pulls away. Shoulder blades melting together inward. Roll the tops of the shoulder heads back and pull the belly in and up. Nice lengthened spine. So the goal of all 3 of these poses is to get the core engaged. We lengthen the hamstrings a little bit, but really straight spines here. We're getting a stretch through the whole back. One more inhale. Exhale, fold forward. And there you have 3 ways to practice Ardha Uttanasana, or halfway lift. I hope this video really helps you in your vinyasa practice and your exploration of yoga. If you'd like more videos like this, I put out one every week. You can subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to follow me anywhere else, my Instagram is @jrockyoga and my website is jrockyoga.com. We'll see you back next week. Happy practicing.